Welcome to Turbo Talk. Today we're diving into the 2025 Polestar 4A, a bold electric SUV coupe that's pushing design and innovation into the future. Let's find out what makes it stand apart. 1. Exterior design. The Polestar 4 completely redefines SUV coupe styling. It features sleek, aerodynamic lines, a low stance, and a dramatic rear profile. The most controversial and talked about change? No rear window. Instead, it uses a high-definition camera and digital rearview mirror system. This allows for better aerodynamics and a seamless, futuristic design that challenges traditional expectations. 2. Performance options. The 2025 Polestar 4 comes in two key configurations. The long-range single-motor model has rear-wheel drive, 272 horsepower, and an estimated range of around 300 miles. The long-range dual-motor model offers all-wheel drive, an impressive 544 horsepower, and hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. This EV isn't just about efficiency, it delivers serious performance to match its bold look. 3. Interior and technology. Inside, the Polestar 4 embraces a minimalist and sustainable design. A 15.4-inch touchscreen runs Google's Android Automotive OS with built-in Google Maps, Assistant, and more. There's also an optional 14.7-inch head-up display with clever features like a snow mode that switches colors for visibility. The materials are sustainably sourced, including recycled textiles and bio-based upholstery. Rear passengers also benefit from extra space, a reclining second row, and a panoramic glass roof for an open, airy feel. 4. Driving and range. With up to 300 miles of range on the single-motor version and 270 miles on the dual-motor, the Polestar 4 is ready for long commutes or road trips. It supports fast charging with up to 200 kilowatts capability, so charging from 10% to 80% can take as little as 30 minutes under ideal conditions. 5. Pricing and availability. The Polestar 4 starts at $54,900, positioning it competitively among luxury electric crossovers. Production begins in 2024, with U.S. deliveries expected to start in 2025. Final verdict. The 2025 Polestar 4 delivers a futuristic design, high-performance specs, and forward-thinking tech. It breaks conventions, especially with the removal of the rear window, and shows Polestar isn't afraid to lead with bold ideas. Thank you for joining us.